Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever sent an important email and wondered, did they even open it? Then today's video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to turn on read receipts in Outlook, step by step, in this full guide. By the end, you'll know how to track whether your emails have been read, so let's jump right in. First things first, what's a read receipt? It's basically a small notification that lets you know when someone opens your email. Perfect for professionals, freelancers, or anyone who wants that extra peace of mind that their message didn't get lost in the inbox jungle. Now, here's how to turn it on. Open your web browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Sign in with your account details. And if you don't have an account yet, it only takes a minute to create one. Once you're logged in, click the mail icon to open your Outlook inbox. This is where all your customization happens. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. That's your settings menu. From there, scroll down and click Mail on the left-hand sidebar. Next, navigate to Message Handling. This section is where the magic happens. You'll see an option labeled Read Receipts. Here, you can choose one of three settings. Ask each time. Outlook will prompt you before sending a receipt. Always send. It'll automatically notify senders when you've read their emails. Or never send if you prefer total privacy. Once you've made your choice, save your changes, or if Outlook saves automatically, you're all set. And that's it. You've just activated Read Receipts in Outlook. From now on, you'll always know when your emails get opened. No more guessing games. If this guide helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, no fluff tech tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.